Who's getting stimulated by the government? Me, everybody is getting stimulated these days. Kind of some funny topic, but today, guys, I want to talk about the stimulus check. What could you be doing with it? What should you be doing with it? Maybe some ideas for you. All right, so the stimulus checks have been coming out. People have gotten them. Some people haven't yet, and they're probably still continuing to come. And if you haven't gotten it, who knows when you will. But let's talk about what you could do with that and maybe how it relates to real estate. First and foremost, I want to tell you, obviously, if you've got bills that have to be paid, pay them. If you need to put food on your table, because of this virus that has come and gone, hopefully, put the food on your table. Make sure your family survives. Now, I want to talk to you as well about paying the rent. We've gone through some time here where people have wondered if they have to pay their rent. As a property owner, obviously I hope all of my tenants pay their rent every month, and that's how I hope it goes. I can relate if you're having trouble with that, but again, the stimulus check is really meant for that. Pay your rent, pay your car payment, pay your mortgage payment, and also help your community. Okay, so with that, all of that, let's say you're able to do all of that and you still have some extra left over because of this stimulus check. How could you get started in real estate? Or what could you do with real estate? Well, let me tell you, I think a stimulus check is going to be $1,200 or $2,400. It's a small amount, but if you're going to put it towards real estate, put it towards marketing. I know that sounds crazy, but put it towards marketing. You say, well, Aaron, $1,200 isn't very much money. And you're right, it's not a whole lot of money, but it can get you somewhere. Find some cheap marketing. We've talked before about driving for dollars, bandit signs, door knockers, things like that, all that are inexpensive ways. Cold calling, text messaging, again, very inexpensive, requires more time than it does dollars, and that's where you could best use your stimulus money, again, after you've made sure your bills are paid and you've helped your community out. But that's a great way to use it. People have asked me if driving for dollars is going to be something that's worthwhile right now, and I tell them, when there's availability to be able to drive and you can do that safely, or if you're in a place that is a stay-at-home state, obviously this doesn't work, but sometimes getting out and just driving around by yourself is the best way to relieve some of the stress that a virus scare has caused. Get out, take a drive, get some fresh air for yourself, and while you're driving around, you take those notes, send that person a letter. So really, it's just about being able to take a look at what you want to do in real estate. Now, if you have the ability because of that extra stimulus money to start something, use that opportunity and get out there and do something. Look at some marketing avenues that you can explore, that maybe you can utilize those funds for to help drive in some off-market deals. Guys, again, it's just some advice that I have. People have asked me before, and I figure if people are asking me these questions, other people are asking the same questions, and I hope that I can offer some knowledge and some guidance on what to do next. Again, I've got other experiences and knowledge and advice to give you, so if you like anything that I've given you so far, hit that subscribe button and make sure you tune in next time.